Hello dear viewer, welcome to my kitchen. Today I would like to share with you a very delicious two-course paleo diet meal plan recipes. Now, before I begin, I would like to apologize for my revealing appearance. You see, I was told by a renowned intergalactic chef master that sharing a recipe while half naked will greatly improve my cooking ability. It works for me, so might work for you as well. Okay, now, I'm going to teach you how to make the two-course paleo diet meal plan. First, the appetizer, beef and carrot curry soup. You will need the following ingredients: 1/2 cup of coconut milk, 1 large onion, 1 stalk celery, 1/2 tablespoon of red curry paste, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1/2 cup of walnuts, 1/4 cups of carrots, 2 cups of water, drizzle of honey, and couple pinches of white pepper. Directions. First, you sauté the celery and onion. Next, put in the walnuts and carrots, and sauté once again for about 5 minutes. Pour 2 cups of water, close the lid, and simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now place them in a blender, pour the coconut milk, and blend away until the ingredients become soupy. Add pepper as well as the curry paste, and blend it again. Finally, drizzle the soup with some honey, and enjoy. Now, I'm going to teach you how to make the appetizer, the Paleo Diet Shoulder Pork Roast. Ingredients: a large piece of lean pork shoulder, 1/2 cup of finely chopped fresh cilantro, 1/2 cup of finely chopped fresh sage, 1/2 cup of finely chopped fresh parsley, 5 to cloves of garlic, 2 teaspoons cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon cumin, 2 teaspoons dried oregano, and finally, 1/4 cup of olive oil. Now, the directions: place all ingredients, except for the pork shoulder, in a bowl and stir them around for a good couple of minutes. Make sure they are nicely mixed together and then, put the lean pork shoulder on the oven, and rub the blended ingredients all over it. Marinate for at least 30 minutes. Massage the meat with ingredients. Finally, roast the shoulder for approximately 40 minutes. I usually cook a pound of shoulder, and it takes around 35 to 40 minutes to cook. Remove from oven and enjoy. My dear viewer, in case you want more delicious paleo diet recipes, check out www.paleorecipecookbooks.info. Once again, the website address is www.paleorecipecookbooks.info. Thank you and goodbye, my dear viewer.